Bullx is the newest trading tool especially made for Solana Memecoins. The purpose of this video is to show you the cool features you'll find on Bullx and how it would benefit you. Bullx new pair section is much more detailed than its competitors, as it contains detailed information such as specifying launch from Pumpfund, and also off the bat contains an audit report on each token. The filter option is very helpful, as you can filter out tokens that haven't disabled freeze, mint authority, and also check for LP burn. This helps you avoid rugs and honeypots altogether.
Bullx contains sophisticated tooling to set advanced and adaptable sell orders specifically on Solana.
Pumpvision is the most advanced and useful tool on Bullx. It gives you access to newly launched coins on Pumpfund and also have a section for coins that are about to hit the bonding curve. Also have a section for Pumpfund that already hit the bonding curve. Graduated in the Pumpvision section, you'll also find advanced filter system specially for Pumpfund tokens. You can check top gainers, losers, and trending token in the Explore segment. The Portfolio Analyzer is a very useful tool to keep track of your profit, losses, trade history, and token holdings.